don't know what we're up to. Oh yeah, we weren't up to this part.
Huh? Oh fuck! Somebody kicked it! What do I do?
Pull out the flashlight and look around. Look for the cassette. Look on the floor.
Oh my god, I'm scared now.
Kneel down. Look under the table.
It's
There
too
it is.
far!
Go grab it. Crawl to it.
Got it.
Alright, now put it in the cassette player. Pull out the cassette player.
Is he gonna kill me?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm gonna get scared. That's all I need, just a cross?
I think so. You can try getting pill bottles.
Wait, I don't want to touch him.
You gotta grab the cross.
Okay, now what? Is there anything else in this room? Did I go in here?
I don't know.
Oh my god, what is that?
The chair.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's a chair.
So am I supposed to go in there?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh my god, this is scary. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go in there. Oh my god, this is so scary. I don't want to go in there. Do you want to do it?
Do it.
Huh?
Do it. Go where you're supposed to go.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? It took my flashlight! Oh fuck, this is some demonic shit. My hands are moving. What was that?
Over here! You gotta hide. She's coming.
Where? Oh god, Gregory! I don't know where I'm going!
I don't know. Follow her.
Ah! Oh my god, Greg!
Embrace the darkness, and with you I have all I need. Embrace the darkness!
What the fuck is happening?
I don't know. Go. Go there.
He's decapitated.
Maybe
What do
you
I
gotta
do
find his
from
head.
here?
You gotta find his head.
His knife?
His head.
Really?
Yes.
Like in one of the boxes?
I don't know.
Maybe in the drawer? Do I really have to find his head?
Mhm.
Oh, I see a key.
Alright, I guess that
Oh, he's gonna come at me. Oh shit, I'm out of my game. Oh shit, I lost my flashlight. Okay.
It's happening again! Please, you have to stop!
Oh my gosh, she's back.
I told you we didn't go through that part.
Fuck, what do I do?
Go see her. Go. Go forward.
Here?
No, no, go forward.
Here?
No, forward.
She's gonna kill me.
No, she's not. Just look at her and then run back into that closet.
But that's the thing, I don't know how to. No, she's not here. Oh my god, the ghost! What do I do? Am I supposed to go somewhere? Ah! I can't! It ate me. Oh my god, it's dark. Here?